Hi, I'm Ryan. So you're looking for a new home near Uptown? I'm so glad you found Wendover Green. Let me show you around. These urban-style townhomes are in an ideal location while still giving you everything you're looking for in a new home. Have you been dreaming of a kitchen to entertain? Here, you can expect to have good times around a spacious island. And since it's open to the living room, you'll never have to miss out on the action while cooking. The best part is, you get to make it your own. Pick the finishes you love to make your design dreams a reality. Depending on what floor plan you choose, you'll have up to 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and 1,750 square feet. My personal favorite, one of the floor plans includes a private rooftop terrace. I'm sure you came across this community because of its location just 3 miles from Uptown, right? Here, you'll be closer to work, trendy restaurants, and everything else the city has to offer. You'll also be close to Cotswold Village for conveniences like Harris Teeter, Starbucks, and more. What's really unique about Wendover Green is that it's being built around a 1-acre tree preserve with private park in the center. Walk your dog or go for a scenic stroll right outside your door. So, did we check all of your boxes? If you're ready to learn more about Wendover Green, schedule a visit to come see us. I can't wait to welcome you home.